Running a business today feels like juggling 100 things at once: calls, messages, leads, staff, marketing, your business reputation, and somehow there's never enough time. But what if your business could run itself while you focus on growth? I am excited to introduce to you the IdaWeb AI Business Bundle, your all-in-one system to simplify, automate, and grow. From answering calls and booking clients 24/7, generating more leads and managing better customer service, to building 5-star online reputation, to reviving old leads and creating new ones automatically. And at the heart of the AI Business Bundle is a powerful CRM designed to track every lead, customer, and conversation in one intelligent system. Businesses using these services report 25 to 50% growth in efficiency and performance within months. You'll spend less time managing and more time growing. Every call tracked, transcribed, and followed up. Every review requested automatically. Every lead nurtured until they buy. This is how modern businesses grow: faster, smarter, and more efficiently. The future of business isn't waiting, it's already running. Flip the switch to IdaWeb and turn your business into a smart, automated growth machine. Activate your AI Business Bundle today and watch your growth take off.